This is my favorite pre-run static stretch, the standing toe touch, 2 sets of each side, hinge from the hips. Keep your chest tall, reach with the opposite hand to the opposite toe. Slow and controlled to warm up before tempo and long runs. I then step into some hamstring stretching, pretty much practicing the splits. And then it's off to the races. Thank you for watching.